Welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how you can use Amazon to help support the National Muzzleloading Rifle Association. If you don't know about it, Amazon has this program called Amazon Smile, where if you shop through smile.amazon.com, Amazon will donate a portion of your order to the nonprofit or charity of your choice. So to set up your Amazon Smile account to donate part of your order to the National Muzzleloading Rifle Association, we're going to go to Amazon.com and sign into your account. I've already done that here. So the next thing I'm going to do is go up to my address bar and type in smile.amazon.com. Now Amazon Smile is very generous in how they donate their proceeds, but you have to shop through smile.amazon.com. So if you're shopping through the Amazon app or just amazon.com, you won't be donating anything the nonprofit or charity of your choice. So right now I'm already set up to support the National Muzzleloading Rifle Association, but we're just going to go through here and walk through. So we're here at smile.amazon.com, and you're going to come over here to the upper right and you're going to go to your account. So we're here at your account. What we want to look for is change your charity, and we're going to go here to the bottom right hand corner and we're going to select change your Amazon Smile charity, and then you can pick your own charitable organization here. So I'm going to type in National Muzzleloading Rifle Association. And when that comes up, you're going to see Fishing and Hunting Clubs, Friendship, Indiana. And we're going to hit this yellow button here that says Select. And with that set up, you're all ready to go. Each time you order from smile.amazon.com, a portion of your order will be donated to the National Muzzleloading Rifle Association. Now, it's not a lot every time. It might be 5 or 10 cents each order depending on the product and who it's shipped from, but every little bit helps. So if you're looking for a way to support the NMLRA a little bit more, just in kind of your day-to-day life, this is a great way to do it, and we greatly appreciate it here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below or email me at media@nmlra.org, and I'll try to help you out. Thank you so much for watching.